I've been a COSTAATT student since 2006. It's been bittersweet, bitter in the sense that I'm a bit anxious to complete another degree, but sweet because I've been able to accomplish an associate's degree in something that I have a passion for. I've been here since 2006. I say I'm going to leave this year when I graduate again, but even though you learn what is on the curriculum, you learn a lot more. And not just from your experience with your colleagues, the persons, the students, your peers, but also with the teachers. They have stories to tell, and a lot of them have made a great impact on my life, my personal life. Of course, that has been able to help me along my journey, personal journey, help me still balance my home life because I am a young wife and mother, and still be able to do what is expected of me. So we have things like blended courses where I can, not every day or every Wednesday I have to be in class, and that works for me. COSTAATT not only offers degrees and programs that will help you along your career path, but there's an energy. Based on my experience, there's an energy, there's an environment where you don't feel pressured. You don't feel like, oh gosh, I have to go to school. You feel encouraged. They have a team of teachers that I've been working with at the School of Journalism that work with me in and out of class. I know many of the students who enjoy that privilege. So if you are looking for somewhere that you want to pursue your degree and also not be stressed out while doing it, I would recommend that you choose COSTAATT.